Hello, hello, everyone. It is 11:11 a.m. Eastern, and I am Rebekah Borucki. I never introduce myself anymore, but that's my name. And this is my live 11:11 Monday meditation that I welcome you to every single Monday, and that's also available in replay on YouTube and IGTV. So today's meditation is a little bit different. It is special. I am sharing something that's personal to me, something that I did in the beginning of this year that I wasn't expecting to share. In church for our New Year celebration, we did something that I've seen done in other places, but it was especially meaningful in my spiritual space, the space that my spiritual community shares. We wrote letters to ourselves about where we wanted to be later that year. So we wrote these letters and we addressed them to ourselves, and they were meant to go out randomly throughout the year. And I just got mine a few days ago. I'm going to share with you what I wrote, a letter to myself, after I bring you into your meditation space. And what I want you to do during the meditation is visualize the person you want to be only a few months from now. You're going to start from there, and then I'm going to lead you through a special exercise. So if you would just take a big inhale and exhale with me. Close your eyes if it feels comfortable. Sit up nice and tall by inhaling your shoulders up to your ears, and then rolling your shoulder blades down and along your spine on the exhale. Try that one more time. Inhale your shoulders to your ears. Exhale, roll your shoulder blades down along your spine. If you are sitting down with your legs crossed or in a chair, you can rest your hands, palms downturned, gently on your knees or your thighs, or upturned to receive energy. This is a meditation for motivation and happiness and welcoming in new ideas, so maybe you want to keep them upturned if that's comfortable for you. And as I read to you, I want you to listen, but also keep your attention on your breath. Your easy, effortless, natural inhales and exhales as they are in this moment. So this is what I wrote to myself on January 6th, 2019. Dearest Rebekah, I am appealing to the beauty, confidence, and wisdom that lives in you as a divine creation of God to assist me on becoming what I want to be in this world. Please lead me to serve more wholeheartedly. Please guide me on a path of ease and surrender. Please show me all the most loving ways to show up for my family and friends. Please demonstrate all the ways I can love myself more and remind me of how worthy I am of that love. I know you are who I want to be. I am so excited to reconnect with you and show you how far I've already come on my own. So what I was doing there is recognizing the wisdom, the beauty, the experience that I possess. I was reminding myself of that so that when I get this letter, I can call on that. I can connect to that. I know that I am safe, that I've traveled just a short amount of time, but big distances in my personal development. And that is also worthy of recognition, praise, gratitude, appreciation. So with your next inhale and exhale, I want you to travel just a few months into the future. Think of a short-term goal or a feeling that you'd like to possess just a few months into the near future. Maybe think about something that you're struggling with now and you can picture it gone, or you can picture ease with the situation. Bring yourself to that moment. Allow yourself to travel on your breath. Inhale with me. Exhale, settle into that vision. Once more, inhale. Exhale, settle in. See yourself there. Strong, confident, at ease, happy. Knowing that you're there, feeling that you're already there to that place. You made it, you did it. You took the steps one by one, day by day, moment by moment. You brought yourself to this place of peace, calm, happiness, accomplishment, success. You are where you want to be. See yourself in your wisdom, in your beauty, in your confidence, in your strength. See yourself looking back to this moment and beckoning yourself there, waving yourself in, saying you already made it. Just take the steps. Just do the next thing. Just have gratitude in the moment for the tools that you possess, the knowledge of how to get there. You've got this. You've got this. You can already see it. It's already happening. You just need to take the next step, one foot in front of the other, moment by moment. See yourself just a few months from now, or days or weeks, wherever you want to place that future vision of you, feeling confident over whatever you're struggling with, looking at it behind you and going, I thought that was so tough in the moment, but here I am now. I know you've had moments like this already in your life. You have already gone through so much and accomplished so much and overcome so many obstacles that you didn't think you could handle in the moment. I know you've done this. You can do it again. See yourself in that moment and take with me 3 big cleansing inhales and exhales to move all the energy through you, to start fresh again, to begin your day again feeling more confident, alive, and ready to take on whatever comes your way. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale big. Exhale, let it all move through you. One more time. And settle into that peace, that happiness that you're feeling right now. Good work. Good work. With your next easy inhale, returning to your natural breath, and exhale, letting go of any remaining tension, just shaking it all out. Go ahead and flutter your eyes open and return to your space. Hello, Asha and Yvonne and Roberto. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Remember, if you're watching live, this is available in replay. So if you came in late, if you're watching this in replay, thank you, thank you, thank you. I always say it 3 times to affirm my gratitude for you for the same reason. I say, I love you, I love you, I love you. And I appreciate so profoundly you showing up for me, because it inspires and compels me to keep showing up for you. I love this work, and I love you for being my partner in co-inspiration. I'll see you soon.